have to rush. Feel free to scratch your back. Your pants go down in slow motion. I'm in love with that. Mr. Plumber, let your pants go down. I want to see your shape of brown. You fix my sink but not my heart. The only thing you left behind is a little fart.